axolotl, native to Mexico, can regenerate limbs and organs, but it's critically endangered due to the vaquita, the smallest porpoise, is critically endangered, with fewer than 10 remaining in the Gulf of California. The Galapagos tortoise, one of the longest living species, faces threats from invasive species and human. The red panda, known for its playful nature, is endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. The Sumatran tiger, found only in Indonesia, is critically endangered due to deforestation and poaching. The pangolin, known for its protective scales, is the most trafficked mammal, facing extinction due to poaching. The snow leopard, a rare and elusive predator, is endangered due to poaching and habitat destruction. The giant Iriamote cat, native to Japan, is one of the rarest wildcats, critically endangered by habitat. The Javan Rhino, with fewer than 75 individuals left, is critically endangered due to habitat. The white rhinoceros, one of the largest rhinos, has been protected, but is still at risk from poaching and habitat. Extinct, the Spix's macaw is making a comeback through successful breeding programs. Native to the Russian Far East, the Amur leopard is critically endangered. The golden toad, native to Costa Rica, was declared extinct in the 1980s due to climate change. The giant panda, once critically endangered, now benefits from conservation efforts in China, though it's still with fewer than 1,400 left. Hawaiian monk seal is critically endangered due to habitat loss. The Vaquita, the smallest porpoise, is critically endangered, with fewer than 10 remaining in the wild. The okapi, known for its zebra-like legs, is a forest giraffe found in the Congo, but it's critically endangered. Found in Central Asia, the saiga antelope is critically endangered, with its population declining, with fewer than 75 individuals left. Javan Rhino is one of the rarest rhinos, found only in known for its bright red eyes. Red-eyed tree frog is found in Central America, but it's threatened by habitat loss. Handed tamarin, with its striking red hands, is a small primate native to South America's rain. The okapi, native to the Congo, is a forest giraffe with zebra-like legs, critically endangered due to The Amur tiger, the largest tiger species, is found in the Russian Far East and is critically endangered. The Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle, one of the rarest reptiles, is critically endangered with only a few. The vaquita, the world's smallest porpoise, is critically endangered with fewer than 10 individuals left. The Goliath frog, the largest frog in the world, grows up to 32 centimeters but faces threats from habitat. The green sea turtle, a large marine reptile, is endangered due to poaching, habitat destruction. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered with fewer than 200. The giant panda, native to China, is vulnerable but has seen a population rebound thanks to extensive The snow leopard, native to Central Asia's mountains, is endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. The vaquita, the world's smallest porpoise, is critically endangered with fewer than 10 left in the Gulf of California. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered with fewer than 250. The Amur leopard, found in Russia's Far East, is one of the rarest big cats with fewer than 100 left. The Javan rhino, one of the rarest rhinos in the world, has fewer than 75 individuals left in the Galapagos tortoise, one of the longest living species, faces threats from invasive species and human The pygmy three-toed sloth, found only in Panama, is critically endangered with fewer than 100. The white-tailed deer, widely distributed across North America, faces overpopulation in some areas. The okapi, native to the Congo, is a forest giraffe with zebra-like legs, critically endangered due. The binturong, or bearcat, is a nocturnal mammal with a prehensile tail and unique popcorn-like Spix's macaw, once thought extinct in the wild, is being reintroduced thanks to conservation efforts. The eagle, known as the monkey-eating eagle, is critically endangered with fewer than 400. The Galapagos penguin, the only equatorial penguin, is critically endangered due to climate change. The Antarctic krill is a vital part of the Southern Ocean food web, but is threatened by overfishing and climate change. The Ibizan hound, native to the Balearic Islands, is an athletic dog breed known for its impressive hunt. The Mexican axolotl is known for its incredible ability to regenerate limbs, but it's critically endangered. The cross-river gorilla, with only about 300 left, is critically endangered due to habitat loss. And the blue dragon is a colourful marine creature, often overlooked, yet it faces threats from ocean pollution. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered, with fewer than 250 in. The pink dolphin, native to the Amazon River, is a rare rare and colorful species threatened by water. The marbled salamander, known for its bold black and white pattern, is threatened by habitat loss and environmental. The world's smallest porpoise is critically endangered, with fewer than 10 remaining in the Gulf. The Goliath frog, the largest frog in the world, can grow over 32 centimeters in length, but faces threats from the binturong or bearcat, has a prehensile tail and a popcorn-like scent, but it's endangered due to habitat destruction. The pangolin, covered in tough scales, is the most trafficked mammal, critically endangered due to poaching for meat. The snow leopard, native to the mountains of Central Asia, is endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered, with fewer than 250. The Galapagos tortoise, one of the longest living species, faces threats from invasive species and the Javan rhino, with fewer than 75 left, is critically endangered. Found only in Indonesia's the Amur leopard, with fewer than 100 individuals left, is one of the world's rarest big cats. The Sumatran tiger, native to Indonesia's Sumatra island, is critically endangered, with fewer than Tarsier, with its massive eyes and nocturnal habits, is found in the Philippines but faces threats from the saola, known as the Asian unicorn, is critically endangered, with only a few remaining due to the kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered, with fewer than 200. The Tapanuli orangutan, the rarest great ape, is critically endangered due to habitat destruction. The Sumatran tiger, found only in Sumatra, is critically endangered, with fewer than 400 individuals. The Vaquita, the world's smallest porpoise, is critically endangered, with fewer than 10 remaining due to the okapi, native to the Congo, is critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. The Javan rhino, with fewer than 75 left, is critically endangered, found only in Indonesia's the golden poison dart frog, one of the most toxic creatures, is threatened by habitat loss and illegal trade. The Amur leopard, one of the rarest big cats, is critically endangered, with fewer than 100 thought extinct. The Spix's macaw is being reintroduced into the wild through successful breeding program. The Amur tiger, one of the rarest tigers, has fewer than 400 left in the wild, facing threats from poaching. The Sunda pangolin, found in Southeast Asia, is critically endangered due to poaching for its scales. The pygmy three-toed sloth, found only in Panama, is critically endangered, with fewer than 100 The red-headed vulture, native to the Indian subcontinent, is endangered due to poisoning and habitat loss. The gharial, a crocodilian with a long snout, is critically endangered, facing threats from habitat. The giant Iriomote cat, found only on Japan's Iriomote Island, is critically endangered, with fewer than 75 individuals remaining. The Javan rhino is one of the rarest rhinos. The Andean condor, one of the largest flying birds, is endangered due to habitat loss and human persecution. The Sumatran orangutan, found in Indonesia, is critically endangered, with fewer than 14,000. Binturong or bearcat has a prehensile tail and a popcorn-like scent, but faces threats from habitat. The golden poison dart frog, one of the most toxic animals, uses its vibrant colors as a warning. The Iriomote cat, native to Japan's Iriomote Island, is critically endangered, with few. The Yangtze River dolphin, or baiji, was declared extinct in 2007 due to pollution, and the ai, a unique lemur from Madagascar, uses its long middle finger to find insects, but is the Sunda pangolin, native to Southeast Asia, is critically endangered due to illegal poaching for its. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered, with fewer than 250. The markhor, a wild goat with impressive spiral horns, is endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. The Sumatran rhino, one of the smallest rhino species, is critically endangered due to habitat loss. And the pygmy three-toed sloth, found only on a small island in Panama, is critically endangered due to ai, a rare lemur from Madagascar, uses its long middle finger to find insects. Once thought extinct, the Spix's macaw is being reintroduced into the wild through breeding programs. The axolotl, native to Mexico, is known for its regenerative abilities, but it's critically The snow leopard, native to Central Asia, is an elusive predator with thick fur, facing endangerment. The Ethiopian wolf, the rarest wolf species, is found in Ethiopia's highlands, with fewer than. The harpy eagle, one of the largest eagles in the world, faces threats from deforestation and hunting. The green sea turtle, with its beautiful shell, is endangered due to poaching, habitat destruction. The pygmy hippopotamus, smaller than its relative, is critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. The markhor, a wild goat with spiral horns, horns is endangered due to poaching and habitat loss, but is recovered. The Andean condor, one of the largest flying birds, soars over the Andes, facing endangerment